it's Jennifer. I'm here today with another tomato report, and today's tomato is the Chadwick Cherry. My plant looks really beat up, so it may not be representative of what you get. My plant was attacked by powdery mildew, so a lot of its branches and leaves have been stripped. Some information about the Chadwick Cherry. It is an indeterminate plant. As you can see here, it goes from the bottom of this plant to the top, and then through here this way, and then through here that way. So this plant will grow more than 6 feet tall. I don't know how tall it's going to get, but it looks like it's not going to stop until it dies of disease. The tomatoes themselves are about an inch to an inch and a half big. They are thick-walled cherry tomatoes, meaning they have a lot of meat. They also have a lot of seeds. The taste is very sweet, but it's not a juicy tomato. It doesn't pop in your mouth, but it is a very good salad tomato, and it also dries very well. So I've been drying these tomatoes, and what I do is I cut them in half, or some of the bigger ones I might cut into fours, but this way. And I will put a little salt on them, olive oil, and then put them in my dehydrator at 145 degrees. It takes about 12 hours, at least for me in my conditions, to dry. The plant needs no special treatment. As you can see, it has a cage, but I'm not sure the cage did anything. I think the trellis does more to contain the plant than the cage ever did. I highly recommend this variety of cherry tomato if you have room for it. If you don't have room for it, it's better to go with a smaller variety. I don't know if there's an equivalent that tastes like this Chadwick Cherry. So I'll be on the lookout for it. Also, the Chadwick Cherry is also known as the Camp Joy Cherry. And that's all.